class and I'm trying to upload the class in the YouTube. Okay, so from the short questions, the first question, why Margie mentioned her in her diary about a real book? Okay, you have few doubts about the questions. Yes, Anna, you ask me about the few doubts that you're having, then I will start. Question number 12. The difference between the old kind of school and their regular school. Okay, but you are not able to make it within 50, right? That is the problem. Okay, even if it is becoming 55 or 60, that won't matter, because 50 or 40 words, that is the word limitation. Okay, you need to understand that as an examiner, when I'm checking the answer, okay, I will be just checking whether your answer is short enough or not. If I find your answer is too long, that 10 lines, 12 lines, then I will think that you have crossed the word limitation. But normally, if instead of 60, if it is becoming, instead of 50, if it is becoming 60, not a problem, not really a problem, because I'm literally not going to count the words. Okay, okay, now is it clear? So I am literally not going to count the words that it has to be 40 to 50. Even if it is becoming 55 or 60, it is fine, as long as the answer looks within the limitation. Question number 4, I was not able to reach the word limit up to 100. You are not able to reach 100. Question number 4, what according to you is the real reason for Margie to hate school? So for this question number 4, from the long answer, the real reason for Margie to hate school was, you have to mention the points that it was no fun for her. Okay, it was a part of her daily routine. It was a monotonous thing. She has to do everything all by herself, and then she hated the mechanical teacher, which fails to understand her emotion, her needs, and it will be just focusing about making her study, making her give the text, give the test and assignments. Then you talk about the assignment and test and putting it into the punch code. If you elaborate these lines, then it will reach 100. Okay. Yes, homework, double work, monotonous, these are the words. You just 2 sentences more and it will be done. Okay, so let us start with number 1. Question number 1, why Margie mentioned in her diary about a real book? Okay, I'm coming to that later. So regarding the mentioning of a real book, because finding a real book is something of a rare thing, that normally it means getting a real book, or having a real book in any of the home in that futuristic world was very rare. So it was something worth mentioning in a diary. Therefore, she wrote about a real book. Okay, now next, what Anna is telling, I was able to find only one opinion of the mother. Okay, Ananshu ma'am, if some answers does not match with you, then answers will definitely match, but what I'm going to discuss right now is the points. Okay, whether you are writing the answer according to the track that I intend you to write or not. Okay, if it is not going in that track, then either you tell it to me, okay, you verify that with me, and then I will tell you whether you have to rewrite or not. Okay. Yes, the concept of the new book was completely new to her, and it was a rare thing. Okay, therefore it was worth mentioning. Okay. Yes, this will be uploaded in YouTube. Yes, everything included. Marks won't be deducted because I'm literally not going to count the words of each and every answers. Okay, it is not possible for anyone to do that. But suppose if it is 20 to 30 word, I expect it to be written within 3 to 4 lines. Okay, or maximum 5 lines. But 5 lines is too much. 3 to 4 lines according to your handwriting. Okay, I will expect that. If it is that 3 marks answer, I will expect 4 to 5 lines like that. Okay, or 6 lines. So according to that, I will be having an estimation and I will be checking. If I find the answer is getting too big, then I may just check once how many words it is, and then you will be in problem if you have exceeded the word. Okay, but within a certain limitation, it is fine. Yes, you can show me the answer in ePortal, but I don't know how you will upload that. Okay, so let me make a sector for you in ePortal where you can a kind of link. Okay, where you can upload the answer. So I will just the questions that I have given you here, I will just make a PDF and I will upload it as an assignment for you. So from that assignment link, you can upload the answer in a PDF form. Try to make it in a PDF form, otherwise it is very difficult because it will open and then it will get closed and I won't be able to revive that data anymore. Okay. Okay, the next question, what was the awfully funny facts about the real book? So this you can mention that the letters were not going from one side to another, it was sticking into that same place, and even after turning the previous page back, it was still, the letter would still sit there. So that was the awfully funny book, means funny fact about a book. Okay. Okay, anything else? Yes. Yes, correct. Next, number 3. Why did Tommy feel that the real book was a waste? Why did he what did he prefer and why? So real book was a waste because when you are according to Tommy, when you have completed reading the book is of no use. You just have to throw it. Okay, so it is of no use. So that is why Tommy mentioned it as a waste. And what he prefer his telebook. Why he prefer? Because in a telebook one can put millions and millions of books inside. Yes. Next, where did Tommy find the real book? You know the answer. In the attic of his house. Next is, what was Margie's reaction when Tommy said the book was about school? Why? So Margie was, you know, what to say, how to tell the reaction. Margie was scornful. Yeah, Margie was scornful. Yes, she was scornful. And why she was scornful? Now here you have to mention that she was scornful because according to her there is nothing interesting about a school. It is a very boring and monotonous place for every children, and therefore nobody should be interested to write anything about a school. And she hated the school. Yes, she hated the school. Okay, next is, why did Margie's mother had to call the county inspector? So Margie's mother had to call the county inspector because her marks in the geography was deteriorating day by day. So every time her marks was becoming worse and worse. Therefore, her mother called for the county inspector to check what is wrong. Yes, because she was performing worse, and also mention about the geography sector. what was the issue with Margie's mechanical teacher? So the geography sector was geared up too quick. Okay, so that was the issue. It was going in a far advanced level, so Margie was not able to understand that. Tommy preferred TV screen which has telebook. And actually Tommy preferred telebooks. Telebooks are kind of TV screen. Okay, telebooks are like kind of digital books where you can store millions and millions of books together. And you don't have to throw it away after it is done, because you can delete and you can re-upload many other books. Okay, so you just check this video in the YouTube once I have completed the class later on. Okay, next is what was the issue I have said? Number 8, what was Margie's reaction when the county inspector fixed her mechanical teacher? She was disappointed. Okay, she was disappointed. She expected, now why she expected, just like Tommy's, her mechanical teacher will be taken away for some days and she would have a kind of free time for herself. Okay, she expected that, but that did not happen when the mechanical teacher fixed the machine. Okay, so she was disappointed. Yeah. Next, number 9, what kind of malfunction had once happened to Tommy's mechanical teacher? So in Tommy's mechanical teacher, the history section completely blanked out. Yes, the history section was completely out. That was the malfunction, and for that his mechanical teacher was taken for about a month. Which part of her school Margie hated the most? Which part of the school Margie hated the most? The part where she had to submit her homework in a punch code. Yeah, homework and the most slot where I had to put her homework and test paper, converting them in a punch code. So that part she hated the most. Yes. Next, number 11. Why did Margie had regular days and hours of school? So according to her mother, little girls, according to her mother, little girls learn better if they do their learning at regular hours. Yeah, according to her mother. Okay, number 12. What are the differences between the old kind of school and their regular school? So this part, in short, you have to make. Okay, so I think I have given these as 3 marks, right? Yes. So in this question number 12, what you have to write: in the old kind of school, children used to study together instead of studying alone in their respective homes. Okay, so this is the first thing that you have to write, just in short, in a precise manner. Okay, next is, in the old kind of school there was a real teacher who would interact properly with each and every students at the same time, whereas in the virtual school one has to communicate only with the mechanical teacher, whatever pre-installed or pre-programmed in that machine. Okay, so these are the 2 type of difference, and one more difference you can add, that is the fun. Previously in the old kind of school, the children used to have fun while studying, whereas they miss the fun in the present type of school, in the regular type of school. So regarding the fun, regarding the teacher, regarding the system of the school, these 3 points, you just make it in 3 or 4 lines, it will be done. Yeah, they learn the same thing together, means they are learning the same thing. It is the obvious thing. Okay, next is, what was the effect of the story of the old kind of school on Margie? Yes, you're correct. So number 13, what was the effect of the story of the old kind of school on Margie? So effect was that she started imagining, and she completely became absent-minded, and she was just imagining about the fun that the old type of school used to give to their children. Okay, to those children of that time. She was lost in imagination. Yes, she was lost in imagination and thought. Yeah, though at first you can start the answer like that, though at first she had a kind of objection about certain things about the old kind of school, but later on she completely lost herself in imagining and being thoughtful about the fun that they had in the old kind of school. So this was the effect. Next is what were the two objections that Margie showed against the man being a teacher? Now the two objections, first one is a man isn't smart enough, according to her, a man isn't smart enough to become a teacher. Yes. The next was that it would be awkward for a human teacher to constantly sit in her room to teach her 24 throughout the day. Okay, so these were the two objections that she had against a man being a teacher. Yes, she would not allow because it would be very awkward. Yes, a strange man. Aryan, are you having any question? You are raising your hand. Someone is typing. Okay, number 15 I will tell. What were Margie's mother's opinions about teaching learning process? So Margie's mother had two opinions, as we are getting in this story. Yes, first is, as Anansu said, the teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each student. Means there should be individual teachers for individual student according to their mind adjustment. Okay, that was her opinion number one, and her opinion number two is about the studying at regular hours. Okay, these are the two things that is mentioned in the text. Okay. So any other queries regarding these questions that you are having? Are exceeding the word limit, you have to practice of making the answer, the sentence more precise, and you just answer what is actually needed instead of extending the sentence and making it too elaborate. Try to make it shorten, means just shorten your sentence. Try to use one word instead of a group of words. Okay, try to use phrases instead of clauses. Okay, something like that. Try to use one word for a group of phrases instead of clauses. In this way you can make the answer short. Okay, that is what you have to practice from hereafter in the literature portion. Yeah, that also you can write that previously the different teacher used to teach different subjects, but Now one robotic teacher will teach all the subjects. Okay, that also you can add if you have the space enough. Means if you're having the word space enough, then you can add that. Okay, so these are all the questions that are probable from this chapter. According to me, these are the probable questions. Okay, I'm not telling these are the only questions, these are the probable questions. Okay, there is a difference. So other questions, if it comes like kind of reference to the context type of who said this, what it is referred to, these kind of questions can come, which I believe you will be able to find out. Okay, those detailed questions I haven't mentioned here, I haven't made you write. For that you just go through the text. In the first question I have to write to fulfill the 5 points. Yes, you can do that on Anshu. Using robotic teacher, that is not in the chap, there is mechanical teacher. Robotic teacher I'm not mentioning. Robotic teacher I'm telling just for explanation purpose. You have to mention the mechanical teacher, the word mechanical teacher. Always use the word mechanical teacher for this text. Okay, robotic teacher I'm using just for making you understand, for the explanation purpose only. Okay, so in our next class we will be doing the grammar portion. Okay, just I will be showing you what are the types of grammatical questions, what are the chapters you have to prepare for answering the 10 marks grammar. It's a very small portion of grammar, so you don't have to worry, but I will just show you what will be the pattern of the grammar in my next class. Okay.